Hey, what's up guys? This is MAK Animation. Today I will show you how you can make slideshow like this. You can see here like this is the 3D model. You can write here, you can write anything here. You can change the color combination of this model, and this is full. You can customize. You can see here the flare interaction, and this is the placeholder where you can put your videos and your pics. Now we'll start. So first of all, go to your file, take new project, take new composition, and we can rename it with the retro camera, and it should be 1920 by 1080. Okay, and it's long 15 seconds, and the color combination is black. Hit OK. Now take one more composition and rename it with element, and it should be 1920, and the duration is same with 15 seconds. Okay, hit OK. Now go to your element composition and take new solid. Solid should be the make comp size, and you can rename it with element. Okay, element, and it's fine. Make home size, hit OK. Now apply the effect element. It's a video copilot plugin. You can find in our video copilot site this plugin. Now go to scene setup, and I'm importing my object, and you can say that it's a camera. Do not change any settings here. It should be force alignment should be on bottom. Hit OK. You can see model for now. Normalize size, tick mark on this, and now you have this amazing model. Here you can see when we show in video here the texture. Here texture, you can put texture from here. Go to this material, and this is our white material. It is if you can't find the surface material, just hold control, like I'm here. You can see hold control and click on the surface where you want to find material. Okay, so now this is our white plastic material. Now go to here and find out diffuse. Go to in diffuse and load texture. This is our texture. You can see the strip and the name, and you can see here. Hit OK, and you can see here now our texture is here, and this is our you can say it's a blur for now, but it will be fine. Okay, and now go to your create and make plane, open it, and put some black material on this, and make it here. It's fine. Go to your move tool, and you can hold shift and rotate it. Go for this scale it down. I'm putting this plane black plane A here. Now our model is almost ready, and you can customize it, the model. If you don't know the customization, you can go here like on this switch it, and now open the instant camera. You can have these materials. You can even animate like this, like open it, and you can animate like pushing button is just like it will work as push button. You can resize here and unlock it, and you can see the size. Oh no, this is not the size. Actually, this is the size. You can see here if we can take it in custom animation, and we can animate it by pressing this button. Now we have to write here we can write here anything. We can put it logo here, and we can write here to. Hit OK, and we have this our model. Now go take new and take the text layer and rename it with MAK. Okay, and again one more text layer and rename it with whatever you want to write, like I wrote before. go to retro, go to your selection tool and adjust here. No, this is not adjusting actually. This is actually the position. Go to your position values and you can put it here so you can see the board text here. Okay, now go to your custom layers and custom text and mask and put the one number is retro and the second number is MAK. Okay, you can put them here, like drag them here and drag them here. It's fine. Now go to hide them for now and go to your element and go to your scene setup again. Now for now switch that material to material settings. We don't need custom animation for this. Now go to extrude and you have this extrude model. You can see what you got. Okay, now you got a retro. You can adjust the scale of this. You can adjust the material for this, like we can take this material. Okay, can apologies, you can put it here and like this. It's fine too. It's same material here, just a little bit you can adjust it more. It's almost fine. You can change the material here. You know, the like procedures too. You can go to the, you can take any material whatever you want, like here, and we can put this too. It's but before was realistic, so for now this is fine. And you can make it the refraction, go to reflective mode and make it spherical for more interesting view. We don't create the environment. For now we can create the environment. Go to your environment and it's fine. Okay, again check the reflection mode and you can make it mirror. It's more fine. Okay, the both the mirror here, reflective mode and spherical, both are really amazing. You can make it to in environment, but for now this mirror surface. Okay, now go to again the extrude model and again take the what you have got. Now you can see like we again got retro, sorry, but we want this time from MAK. So go to here the top of the this panel and take the custom path 1 to custom path 2. Now you have MAK. You can adjust the size of this MAK here, and we can put it's on this black, and we have to resize it for more. We will resize it after adjusting. Here is fine. Now resize it. It's fine. It's fine. You can put it here, make it center, so it's fine. Now you can see here, you can change the color of this material. So go to your material setting and go to pre-shaders and go to meta. We can take this, it's more realistic. It's fine. You can make it dark. It's fine too. You can take any material here, like chrome is more okay for now. Now the model is ready. We write here, we wrote here. You can make anything here, like you can write here too. You can write on this surface too, wherever you want to customize this model. You can customize it anything. You can animate this button too. You can animate this part and this part and this and this. These are and on separate layers. I'm giving a link below for this model. You can download it and you can make your own slideshow. Okay, hit okay. Now we have this model here. Now go to your group 1, because all these are in group 1. We don't need animation, so I put them all in group 1, and you are adjusting its position. It's fine, and make it the position is fine. Now go to your particle rotation. You can rotate it here like like this. We will use camera for its rotation. Go to new and take null object and make it parent with camera, and go for make it 3D layer, and go for rotation here, and make keyframe here, and apologies, go to cursor, take here, and make keyframe, go for 4 seconds. Now you can rotate it like this. Okay, it's amazing thing. You can see you can even rotate more, like here. Now you can see what you have got. We have got this animation, and this is amazing. You can make it more better. You can speed it up by speeding, how you can speed it up. Make it here, and select them and make it here. Now you can see the speed is more increasing. You can adjust the the camera. I'm not actually take new solid, and it should be our BG, it means background. Make it white color. The code is 30F. Okay, and 0, hit OK, and make it here below. Now you can see you have the depth here, and make it for now. You can see the depth. Okay, now you see our the model which we have animated it here. Okay, we can adjust more it, like go to for camera, hit C. We can adjust the camera. I'm not adjusting the null object, I'm just adjusting the camera. Okay, now you can see our animation like this. The starting scene is this, and you can see here. Now we want pictures from here. Like you can see the video that while it's rotating, it is throwing the pictures here in on this surface. We can make it go to new and take solid, and solid should be white, and make it 150 our width. Okay, and our height should be, it's 100. We can adjust it after we have this material. Go to your white setting and little bit dark. Okay, because our background is totally white, if we put the little only white, we can see our this solid. Basically this is our placeholder. Okay, hit OK and hit OK. Now you can see here our the solid, and go to your selection tool and make it 3D layer, and for adjusting its size, whatever the size you want to make. Okay, it's fine, because I'm adjusting this size. You can see I'm adjusting its position. You can see the picture when this come out from here, so you have to adjust the size with this 3D model. Okay, so now it's our 3D layer, that's why it's moving with this 3D model. Now we have to adjust it. How we can adjust it for before we have to take one more solid. Go to your for now don't make it 3D. Okay, go to your new and take new solid, and for this make it a little bit glossy look. How you can make gloss, you can glossy here. It's okay, okay. And for this the size is for this. Now we can adjust size. We can make it 80, and we can make it 130 and hit OK. Now we have this. We can adjust it here. This is actually the mask here. Actually this is our placeholder. Okay, you can see the placeholder. It's our fine placeholder. Apologies. Select the gray solid and then adjust it. Okay, it's fine for now. We can make this surface little, the hair surface, we can make it more. Now this, so again you create solid and make it here. Now we have exactly what we need, but we can see our video. Okay, now make it and select it too. By holding shift you can select them both, and control shift C for pre-compose. Move all attributes and rename it with placeholder. It's 1. Okay, and hit OK, and make it this composition here and 3D. Now you can adjust it by rotating. Go to your rotation, and like this is our rotating, like here, and we can adjust. We don't need this rotation, we need this rotation, and we can put it here, and you can see that for now how we can adjust it more. You can adjust it more by make it on the element below, and you can see now like our picture is moving with it, and okay, we can because our camera is actually controlling this placeholder too. If you don't want to control this placeholder with camera, you can make it in here, but it's one thing more I want to say, like you can adjust like go to your element and hit Control D, and it's your duplicate layer, and make it below here, no sorry, below here, and make it this element layer, the mood, change the mood, it's to screen. Okay, now you can see here our the reflection on this surface. On this surface you have reflection of this 3D model. Okay, that's why I duplicate it and make it from the original real model is still the on normal. Select them, make it here for now. Now select them all, and this is all our elements like look. Okay, and Control Shift C for pre-compose, and move all attributes to in it, and rename it with element. You can see it element scene 1. Okay, and hit OK. Now you can see like our camera is moving, but our picture is not moving. We can adjust its position now wherever I want, wherever I need. Okay, like I can adjust it here. I can rotate it with like go to your rotation and rotate it. I don't need this rotation, I need this rotation. Okay, and go to your position, hit P, and position it. We can animate it with like go to your placeholder, open it, and select these all things. Actually we can need these all transform sections, so I keyframe all these on this and go to for like now go on frame by frame by holding page down and adjust the position like the position of the placeholder. How we can adjust it by positioning it here, like press it, and you can see here our the placeholder is coming out. Now go again for some frames like 3 to 4 frames and adjust it again. Do not adjust this position. Okay, just adjust this more. Our the code is moving quickly, so we have to now when you have on this position you can adjust it like here. We can adjust it here. We can adjust it here too. when it's you can say we can adjust it also. Apologies, we don't have to you don't have to change this position, and you can see like here. Now you can see what animation we got, and yes, okay, it's a really high speed. You can adjust its speed here, and go for last keyframe and select it and make it here, and you can see now the position is better. Now you can make more the placeholders, like go to close it and go to your project window, and this is our placeholder one. Select it and hit Control D. Okay, and when you hit Control, first of all, for now I'm deleting this placeholder. Okay, and delete it and go to your placeholder one. Here you can take a new and make it a solid 2, again solid. It's okay, and it's okay for now, and recolor it with the again, like go to solid settings. You can go to solid settings by go to layer and solid settings and make it whatever color you want. Like I'm making it for red, like you can see in video. Hit OK and hit OK. Now you have this thing. Okay, go again new and take the text layer and type it with 1, and you can like by selecting it, you can make the bigger one. Go to selection tool and put it here. It's mean that this is our one placeholder, and you the one number picture should be placed here. Okay, it's mean, so we can easily put the picture on this composition, and here you can make it like it's fine for now. You can rename it with anything, like you can rename it this with these all things with placeholder, like we put it here, and you can adjust your video here. Okay, and this comp size should be on this our placeholder. You can go here and check out the dimensions of this solid, because this is our overall frame and we want our composition of this size. So go to like layer and go to solid settings. You can see 150 by 100. Cancel it and go for composition settings. This shortcut of composition to Control K. Hit here 150 and hit here. It's I think so. I forgot. It's ET. I think so. ET. No, it's 100. Hit OK. Now you can see our composition. We can adjust it here. We can our composition should be on this solid layers. Again, check the solid settings. It's 150 by 100. It's right. No. Again, go to composition settings and make it we switch off the preview. We have this complete, so we can make it like this. It's fine. Now go for this and it's fine. Okay, now you can adjust here your I want this composition actually with this image size, because it's better to have this on image size to adjust our video. We can make it like we can adjust it to more. You have to adjust it before. I forgot to adjust it, that's why we have this trouble for now. We can now make it again center, and again go to Control K and reduce the width of this and hit OK. Now we have our composition with this image size. Okay, here our placeholder 1. Now our placeholder 1 is ready, and you can say it like I can take anything here to adjust like image or video. For now I can take this, you can say the apologies for this. Now you can take any video or image you want to use in this video, like I'm taking this for now, and go to your After Effects and put it here. Now you can see, go to your select the video and press S1 and adjust it here, adjust it with comp size. Okay, and one thing here that you have to follow, I forget to one thing I forget actually. Now you can see that we can't see here our placeholders. Okay, so we have to adjust these pixels on you, or whatever you want to say. So we have to adjust it here. Okay, now we have to adjust it on like this. So our placeholder shouldn't be, we can put here, so our placeholder shouldn't be like, you can say, shouldn't be high. So okay, we can adjust it here by adjusting this. How we can adjust it more correctly for now, because this is our separate layers, so we can adjust them by selecting one of them, where we should have to put our video. So here for now videos here, here we should have to take here actually the blank screen, so we can make it easily adjustable, like our placeholder actually, how we can adjust it again. We have to one thing I want to check, it's fine. Now go to your here our keyframe of the frame, hide for this and hide this too for now, and hide this too for now, and it's fine. Now this is our gray solid. We have to adjust it. How we can adjust it? By using it you can say this, you have to go here and make the rectangle tool, select this corners and put on this corner, it's fine, and hide this gray solid too, and go here in mask 1, and here you can make it subtract. Okay, now if I put this video on here, our video, so apologies, here our video, go to the selection tool and you can see our video is here on this blank screen, but still our video have on this, we can put our video here, so now we can adjust it more accurately. Now you got what I want to say, that you don't have to make, why I made these solids before, you don't need to make these solids. Okay, you have to mask, so that's why I made solid for you, so you can see this what it cost, you can say Okay, it's fun for now. Now we again moves to our basic slideshow, what we want to make. Okay, now you can see now, okay, how you can adjust here your video, and which if I turn it on, you can say that we don't need this for now. You can say this, that how we can make like this. We don't need this, so we have to make it like you can say we don't need this, so delete it. We don't need this, so delete it. We don't need this even, so delete it. Now we have this you can say it placeholder 1, and you have to make this on this layer. Okay, it's fine for now. You can you can recompose it, pre-compose it, Control Shift C, and move all attributes, and you can say this pick 1. Okay, and hit OK. Now go to this pick 1, and here you can adjust any video which you want, and just a placeholder 1. We have to rename it this placeholder 1. You can rename it by Control K, and make it frame 1. Okay, hit OK. And on this pick 1, go to Control K again and make it placeholder 1. Okay, apologies, and hit OK. Now whenever you put the video on this placeholder, you can you don't have to adjust any frame like this. Okay, you can go to now retro camera, actually element layer. Now you have see this visual here like this. You can adjust it by adjusting them, like you don't want to see this picture for now, so you can adjust it here by adjusting this frame 1. Like you can hide here, and you want to see when the picture is come here out, so you can adjust it by adjusting it here. Okay, now what you got this. Okay, it's amazing animation, and by when it's like it's here, it's coming out in this. You can make more placeholders, so that can come here, that can come here. So now go to your frame 1 and duplicate it. You have to duplicate here. You don't duplicate here. Okay, if you duplicate here, you change this frame, the lower frame 1 will again change with this. Okay, you can say it like the maths term, that directly proportional. Okay, you change one, the second will change automatically, but we don't want to need change this. You can see the here we can adjust here its position. We can take the bounce effect on this actually on this position. If you don't know the bounce effect, we will use it. Okay, but for now it's I'm just it's a basic thing that I'm for now discussing. You can make it here frame 2. Okay, now you have to go here, and you can make the placeholder it's our placeholder 1, where you want to put your video here. So it's a frame 2, open frame 2. Here you can see the frame 2, and here we don't need this placeholder 1, so delete it. And here we need placeholder 2, so select it and duplicate it and drag it here and open it. And if so placeholder 2, we don't need this video here. We want some other video, and go here and take different take this video, and after again go to After Effects and adjust it here, and go to your scale, press S and adjust them here. So now you now go to your element layer, and actually we are making for scene 1 for now. select this placeholder 2 and no select this frame 2 and drag it on a plane of frame 1. Now you can see over the frame here. We have to make it a 3D layer, and you can adjust its position by pressing P. You can position it here. You can, like here, we can rotate it. You have this image. You can rotate it by pressing R, and we don't need this position. Apologies again. We want this position, and I want it here, so I can adjust it here by like this. Okay, now select them all, like on rotation and position. You can adjust keyframe, but we don't want to change rotation, so select and press P and position. Now go frame by frame by adjusting its position like this. No, we don't want, we position actually this, and again go. Now I want it, so come out, make it here, apologies, and I want to come out. Okay, by select them all and adjust here for speed purpose. Now you can see what we got. We have this, and we can make it more here by pressing minus this. So you can adjust its speed, I'm slowing its speed from now. Now what we got, this, it's a really high speed. We don't need the high speed. Okay, for this you can adjust here. You can adjust more frames. You can adjust, now you can you know how you can make a next placeholder for frame 3. So we can put it here or in first scene. I think it's enough for now. It's scene over 1. Okay, now it's our final here. I don't want over like it's here. I want just here. Okay, press N. Now you can see again. Now we can see it's fine. Okay. Now what we have to make, apologies again. Now what we have to make now you can make scene 2. You can make the even intro scene. It's over actually overall scene 1. Again, go to Control K, press, and this over not element layer, we can rename it with scene 1 and hit OK. Okay, this is our scene 1 composition, and but we can make it more by you can say go to your scene, go to your we have our element scene here, it's our scene 1, so element, this is our element layer. We can make it by intro. If we want to make intro, how you can make intro, go to your scene scene 1 and duplicate it. Okay, it's scene 2, and rename it. And how you can rename it, by pressing rename. You can make it intro scene. Okay, hit OK. This is our intro scene. You can check it by Control K to our intro scene, and it's for now it's fine, but we don't need these pictures here for now. So by selecting them, delete it and delete it too. I don't for now I don't want this rotation here, So how I can adjust it by adjusting like go to your element 1. This is element was scene 1, and hit Control D and drag it here and delete it. Now open it, and you can here by deleting this null object, you don't need have now any like animation. So hit Control C, adjust it here. It's fine for now, and adjust it here. It's fine. Okay, and now again go to your intro scene, and you can have this here. We can adjust like here, go to here and go for like you can say a new composition. It should be 1920 by 1080 and make it MAK Animation Presents. Okay, and now go take new, and you can drag your logo here and whatever you want. Like I'm dragging my logo here. Now go to import and go to like file, and I can make it this one, import it. This is PNG. Okay, drag it here, and by pressing C, scale it down, and press P for this tool and adjust it here. MAK Animation, go for new, take text and make it presents. Okay, and go for scale it. Oh, apologies. Select your text layer and go for scale and adjust it here by go to your this selection tool, and you can select here by okay, it's fine. It's more look better. You can scale it down more. Now we have this thing here. We can adjust it here. It's fine. Now go to your comp, like this is our actually MAK MAK presents its logo. So go to your the element intro scene. Okay, and drag your MAK Animation Presents layer here, and you have this thing. We can see our the MAK Animation Presents. Why? Because it's white. You have to recolor it by selecting it. Go to your T2, select them all. Okay, go here and make it like grayish. Hit OK, go to intro scene. Now you have this presents. Select it and adjust it. Go V2 and adjust it here. We can adjust it more, like we have double S here. We can go here, go to your T2 and select it and delete one T. Okay, now present, MAK Animation present. You can rename it with present if you don't. If you want to make it this logo change, you can change here. For now, actually I am teaching you like this tutorial is actually you can make this actually all these graphics or the slideshow for others persons. Okay, I'm actually that's why I'm everything I'm recomposing it for you can change it and edit it at any time. You can change any logo here, you can change any word here. That's why I'm doing this. Okay, now you can see our MAK Animation Presents. Here you can write a retro slideshow. So how you can write and go again for take new comp and rename it with retro slideshow. Apologies again, slideshow, and should be comp size over regular comp size 920 by 1080, and hit OK. Open, it's already open. Go new, take text layer and right here retro camera, and go to your scale. Oh, sorry. Take the selection tool, then go to your scale and adjust it. It's fine. And now go to your, again, go take new text here, and you can write here slide show, and go to your selection tool, select it by holding by pressing P. You have its position, or you can adjust position here, and it's fine. You can make it change your text whatever you want. Okay, no, we don't need it. It's fine for now. Okay, we have this layer now, and we have this layer. It's fine. You can animate it. How you can animate, like I want to stretch it, so we can animate it like go to your effects and presets panel, go to your animation presets, go to text, and you can have here like we can take it, animate in like you can check it what it's now. No, we don't need this. No, we don't even need this. You can use here anything. Okay, now we have this over, and now go to your intro scene and drag your retro slideshow here. Okay, and here, and adjust them here by press S. You can scale it down a little bit. It's fine here. Oh, apologies. It's so very interesting. Now we have over this intro. You can like by actually adjust it. Now go to this element scene 2. This is, and I want to make like a little bit slow low zoom in. For intro animation, you can press here and go open it, transform, and select them all and hit keyframe, and like go for 4 seconds and press C, and this is fine. Now go to intro scene, and now you can see what we got. Now we got this animation here, the words are coming here, it's zoom in, and you can adjust, you can animate these animation, this logo and presents, and like when it's complete, then I want this MAK animation presents. So how I can adjust it? By adjusting, you can say it like select this layer, this animation, and press T for opacity, and go to come here, and here's keyframe, and put it 0. Now when these words are coming here, so here this again, mark it, I don't want, but from here I want it with full opacity. So what we got now, we got this actually. You can adjust this BG background by select these all. No, actually select it, select them, and drag it later a bit here. Now we have this animation. You can adjust it more, for the I'm doing now. Like you can say, I can select them and its opacity it's fine, but I can adjust it here. Here, okay, and I can this retro slide here, it's fine. And now this MAK animation presents, okay, this, and on this element scene I can go to opacity for opacity and hit control opacity, and here make it 0%, and for this now right here I want it 100%. Now look, see what we got now. Actually hit control Z, and here I want to stay it with white, and here I want it 100%. Now look what we got this realistic. We can rotate it like by go on this element scene 2, and you can rotate on this keyframe 2, like press in this and little bit. Now you can see what we got here. Go to your intro scene. Now we got this animation, it's rotating and little bit zooming in, and you can see here the retro slideshow, and you can see the MAK animation presents. So this is what we got here. Press N for complete. Now we have this complete. Now you got what I want to make. Now go to for gain, new comp, take new comp and make it over main comp, and you can rename it with like 1920 by 1080. Okay, it's fine, 1920 by 1080, and make it okay. Color background is white, black, sorry, it's okay. Now drag your intro into scene here first of all. Now you can see we have intro here. Okay, from here its intro is fine. Now take the scene 1 here and drag it on this upper portion, and start it from here, and take new solid, make it actually white, hit OK, and close it, and drag this scene on up portion. You can say hit here when we got this, it's here. Okay, now then press it here and make it little bit like just a jump and drag it here. Now see what we got. Great. Now you can see this MAK animation presents the retro camera. Okay, one thing here, go to this solid settings and make it comp size. Actually we didn't make it comp size, make it comp size, hit OK. Now see what we got here. Yes, this is our scene complete, and you can make it here by pressing it's fine. Here our scene is complete, so drag it here. Okay, now again duplicate it and put it here and put it here. So this is the way, so you can make more scenes, you can make more combinations here you can see more pics. Here you can make more placeholders, you can make more frames. You can download the free project file given below on description. You can download this 3D model. I'm giving this you. You can download it. The link is in description. Stay tuned. This is MAK Animation.